To know how to get 35% and 70% off in DZine AI, which is a very popular image generation AI tool, make sure you watch this video till the very end. There are multiple forms of discounts available, so make sure you don't miss any and choose a discount offer that best suits you. To get the discount, click on the first link given in this video's description. You will be able to see a page like this. If you don't have an account, then click on Get Started for free and create an account. If you have a .edu account from your school or any educational organization, then I will recommend you to use it, because it will help you in getting the maximum possible discount. We will talk more about it later. I already have an account here, so I will click on Login. Click on Continue with Google and select the Gmail ID. This is the page you will see after you log in. If you scroll below, you will find that this AI tool has a lot of other features as well. On the left, scroll below and click on Pricing. You will be able to see all the pricing plans. You will find this note saying 70% off for students and teachers in the standard and the professional plan. This is the maximum discount available here, and you can get it by using a .edu account while signing in. If you don't have a .edu account, you can still get some discount. First, I will recommend you to compare all the plans and choose a plan according to your needs. If you scroll below, you will find a detailed comparison of all the plans. You can also get a 7-day free trial to check this tool first. On the top, if you select annual payment, you will get a 20% discount, and we can still get even more discount. Now select any plan and click subscribe. You will be redirected to the payment page. On the left, we have the option to add a promotion code. Click on it and enter the code WB Explainer and click apply. You can see that we have received a 15% discount, and we already received a 20% discount by selecting the annual plan, making it almost a 35% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that generates animated captions for videos within seconds, then check the video on the left. If you want to know about an AI tool that can write SEO-optimized content for your website, then check the video on the right. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such AI-related videos. Thanks for watching.